God damn. How you like it now again?
What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. It is Logan, and today I have another reaction video. So I'm going to be reacting to Diet Coke and Mentos Explosion by the Anchor Grandpa channel. So let's go on ahead and get right into it. This is an older video. It's 9 years old. Shit, it's going to be 10 years old this year. Man, it's crazy to think that 2013 was 10 years ago. 10 years ago. That's just, it's just crazy to me. Anyway, let's get into it. 3, 2, 1, let's go.
Okay, Dad, the idea behind this is you're gonna have to, if they say it's impossible to hover your face over the bottle and dump a handful of Mentos in at the same time.
Ridiculous.
There's something about muscle spasms or something. You can't do it. It's impossible.
That's bullshit.
You can't do it.
That can be done.
Well, you have to prove it.
It can be done, goddammit.
Well, Grandpa is doing the Mentos Hover Challenge.
The what? The hover.
It's called the Mentos Hover Challenge. You can't do it. It's
What I
impossible.
gotta
I
do?
saw that
Here you
one,
go, Dad.
Michael.
Now listen to me. You gotta. All right, hover your face before you put them in. You gotta put your face over the bottle.
You gotta put my face over the bottle.
Over the bottle.
Can I piss my cigarette first?
Put your face over the bottle, like that. And meanwhile, yeah, hold it.
I gotta hold it like this.
Yes, it's. I guess you.
Now what, Mike?
This is gonna.
Hover your face. Put that hand.
This is gonna end badly.
I guess you couldn't do it, could you?
Oh man,
Motherfucker.
that must hurt. Like getting in the eyes, man.
You goddamn motherfucker.
What?
Get out of my goddamn yard. Son of a bitch.
He's taking the shirt off. Oh my god.
What are you doing?
What the fuck?
Get that goddamn car. Get out of my goddamn yard. Mentos in the goddamn brain.
I put a little bit of Mentos in your Diet Coke. So what?
You put Mentos in my goddamn Diet Coke, you son of a bitch.
That was the whole point of the challenge, I guess.
Are you this mad for real?
Goddamn right. You get a goddamn nose full of Mentos and Coke.
Got it.
God damn.
How you like it now again? Run!
How you goddamn playing? Keep that right goddamn neck. Get out of my goddamn yard.
This man is going crazy. This man is going crazy.
Get the goddamn car and get the fuck out of my yard.
I'm sorry.
Don't you or you ever come the fuck back over here again.
Let's go, Michael.
Don't do it again, bitch. You will end up wearing it.
Damn.
Just a little bit of Mentos.
It was just, you know, for fun.
Okay, what's he doing?
What are we doing? Why am I...
What is happening?
What is he doing? He's gonna get run over.
Wrong window, Bridget. What are you doing?
Come on, get out, goddamn. Come with your goddamn ass. This time you got an ass. Get out of here.
Go, Bridget, go!
Yeah, he was pissed. Oh my god. Oh, that was funny. Oh man. Well, yeah, okay. Well, that is it for this video, I guess. Thank you all very much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe for more. And I'll see you all in the next video. Peace out.